Hey there. Welcome to SA Tech News. How are you feeling today? Again, welcome. Today we take a look at the Roborock S7MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum. Click on the link in the description below if you want to own one of the Roborock S7MaxV Ultra Robot Vacuum. Roborock's smartest robot combo yet. S7MaxV Ultra provides an extremely convenient, totally hands-free cleaning experience. Using the empty wash-fill dock, you get automatic dust emptying, mop washing, and robot water tank refilling. The dock even cleans itself too. Self-refilling and self-emptying. The empty wash-fill dock automatically refills the S7MaxV water tank when it docks, extending its mopping range to up to 3,230 square feet, 300 SQM. The dock also empties the robot vacuum and holds enough dust for up to 7 weeks without emptying. Reactive AI 2.0. With Roborock's next generation of obstacle avoidance technology, Reactive AI 2.0, S7MaxV can navigate around common domestic hazards using its RGB camera and a new neural processing unit. An additional light turns on in dark rooms, making obstacle recognition as effective at night as during the day. 3D structured light systems supplement the RGB camera and can spot unknown objects, determine their size and location, and allow the robot to navigate around them. Next-level intelligence. Using its camera, S7MaxV can now recognize the furniture in your home and place them on the map automatically. It can also identify your floors in each room and recommend cleaning patterns and scrub intensity accordingly. The most powerful Roborock robot vacuum ever. S7MaxV has more suction power than any previous Roborock robot vacuum, generating a maximum of 5,100 pascals. That's more than double the power of S6MaxV. It quickly picks up debris, hair, dust, and more from hard floors and carpets. We've come to the end of the video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more gadget news.